That's 49 9. 49 9. That's 49 9. 49 9. That's 49 9. 49 9. That's 49 9. Before the break of dawn, I'm in the crack house breaking bricks. I got it locked with certain niggas ain't making shit. Disrespect, I swear to God, it's gonna be gunplay. I'm moving birds through the week except for Sunday. I'm smoking sticky weed, rolling up the most. With calicos, my PJN is unstoppable. With it with them brazen grills. We been rich motherfucker before the roof is still. You want an ounce or a key? It don't matter, nigga. We can sell it to you on a straight powder, nigga. Like I say, you want it sold, them acquaintance and tell it. If you want it sold, nigga, big pistol and sell it. We rolling blunts, we killing weed, selling out cents and keys. What do you need? We down south soda, and the blunts getting older. We rolling blunts, we killing weed, selling out cents and keys. What do you need?